Providing privacy for victims of sexual assault. New tonight, one survivor is creating a new option for victims in their fight for justice.
It is a rape kit that victims can use at home, but it is coming with some controversy. Channel 9's Elsa Gillis has been digging into this story throughout the day and spoke with the founder and learned about the backlash that has come with this. Elsa?
Yeah, Erica, Scott, giving more power to a survivor is a good thing, but this at-home test kit is stirring up a lot of controversy. And now I've learned the North Carolina Attorney General's office has launched an investigation into this issue. It's a stern warning from the North Carolina Attorney General's office. Josh Stein is calling the Me Too at-home sexual assault kits dangerous and misleading. The company's founder, who is a survivor herself, says their mission is to help survivors who don't have the ability or are not willing to go to the police or the hospital to collect time-sensitive DNA evidence.
While I think it's well-intentioned, I highly encourage survivors to still seek out the support from the SANE nurses at the hospital.
Tennille Banner with Safe Alliance says the nurses are highly trained, qualified medical staff.
And the work that they do goes beyond the scope of just the kit and evidence collection itself.
The Attorney General says, while I certainly understand that a victim might prefer to undergo a sexual assault exam at home, there are trained nurses all over our state who can conduct these exams in a way that ensures that victims get the health care they need and that law enforcement officers have access to evidence that is admissible in court.
Another part of the procedure that survivors encounter when they go to the hospital is that police actually come to the hospital. Everybody's working together.
According to the Me Too Kit website, a victim would need to take the kit to the police themselves, and it says there's no guarantee the evidence collected will be admissible in court. But the company's founder told me they're in the early stages of development and they want to work with the courts and legal institutions to make this admissible in court.
It's always great to have an easier way to do something, but you want to make sure it's the best.
Now, I should add that the company's founder also says that every survivor should be encouraged to seek proper health care, but says that many survivors don't get the chance to go to the hospital. Erica?
And also, we know there is a backlog right now, the untested sexual assault kits across the country and here locally.
Yeah, and Erica, the federal grant program that helps states with that backlog, it's set to expire at the end of September. So advocates are pushing the House to take some actions before that money runs out.
Yes, so more survivors can get answers. Thank you, Elsa. We want to take this time right now to show you the Safe Alliance hotline. It is 980-771-HOPE. And this number is available 24/7 for any victims, survivors of sexual assault to call, or survivors of domestic violence too.